Hey there, welcome to the channel. Have you ever opened up that bottle of onion powder or garlic powder only to find this instead? A big clump of spice. Today, I've got a quick and easy way on how to fix this so you can still use it in your recipes. I'm Jamie with SavorySaver. I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free lifestyle easier. So please consider hitting subscribe and let's fix this hardened onion powder. All right, so you've opened up your bottle. You've gotten it out of the bottle and you still can't do anything with it. This easy fix, grab a grater of some kind, your box grater, whatever grater you have at home, and grate down that garlic or onion powder so it's usable again in those recipes. Guys, that's how easy it is to fix that hardened garlic or onion powder. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.